Do you think we should do away with daylight savings?
I think we should basically do away with it. Look, it's gone on forever and ever and ever. Maybe just do away with it now, so we're all in the same time, basically. I think we should do away with it. I'd be all for it anyway. Actually, when you're getting up when it's dark and you're going home when it's dark from work, at least if the clock sort of stayed the same, it might not be as bad. But yeah, it definitely does impact me.
Do you think it's a good thing that the clocks go forward and they go back, or do you think we should just leave it alone?
I think it's grand. It's grand as it is. Better for the bright evenings.
Yeah, safety aspects as well, like kids going to school, things like that.
Yeah. It's worked for this way for so long.
If it's not broke, don't fix
leave it.
Sort of thing.
Yeah.
I live in Portugal, and the silly thing about where I am in the Algarve is if people are going to Spain for work, Spain stays, and Portugal is the same as over here, so it screws up everybody's life. So, it should be sort of universal or around Europe.
I'd say get rid of it altogether. Like when you're going abroad, it goes like we're flying to Turkey. You're going 2 hours. The difference is the summer's great, but like winter can drag out for a long time, especially this year. I've heard it's went on for ages.
Just do away with it altogether. That's what I think. Although they say for the elderly, it's good for them, but me, just do away with it. I think there's nothing to it. Like, it's only an hour or so just do away with it. Same all year round. We know where we are. I don't mind being dark in the morning time, but I'd like it brighter in the evening time, so I'd be happy with that.